Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time plan. First, identify your main goals, both big and small, to give your plan direction. Then, divide larger projects into smaller, actionable steps that are easier to tackle. Next, schedule dedicated time slots for these tasks, ensuring you have uninterrupted focus. This structured approach helps you stay organized and productive throughout your day. Once you have your tasks, prioritize them using a system like the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you distinguish between urgent and important. Concentrate your energy on activities that offer the greatest impact and move you closer to your objectives. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks that others can handle or simply eliminate those that aren't truly necessary. This ensures your efforts are always directed efficiently. Now, let's build your daily schedule. Include not just work, but also essential breaks and personal time to avoid burnout. It's wise to build in some buffer time, perhaps 15 to 30 minutes, for unexpected events or tasks that take longer than anticipated. Start each day by quickly reviewing your plan, making small adjustments to keep it realistic and effective. This flexibility is key to a sustainable time plan. Finally, it's crucial to regularly review your time plan. Take a few minutes each week to assess what worked well and what didn't, then make adjustments for the future. Pinpoint those common distractions or time wasters and create strategies to minimize their impact. Remember, a good plan is a living document. Also, for some great deals and helpful resources, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.